Okay, so this says the graph of the boundary equations for this system is shown below. Locate all of the corners. So we have the green is the 2x plus 3y equals 12, and the blue is x plus y equals 5. Before I locate the corners, I want to locate the feasible regions by looking at the inequality symbol and figuring out which side to shade. So they're both greater than or equal to. So I'm going to change this from equals to greater than or equal to, and from this one from equals to greater than or equal to. So if I plug in 0, 0 into the blue equation, I get 0 plus 0 is greater than 5, which is false. So with the blue equation, I'm going to shade above. I'm going to shade the top side or right side of that. With the green, I plug in 0, 0, and the same thing happens. I get something that's not true. So I'm going to shade above as well. So the feasible region is going to be everything above both the green and blue lines. It's this whole area out here. That's my feasible region. So if I'm going to look at the corners of it, it's going to be this point, the intersection, and this point. If I was shading towards the origin, it would end up being this region. But since I'm shading away, it's actually just these 3 points on the outer edge. So this is going to be 0, 5. This is 3, 2. And this is 6, 0. Okay, so I'll just list those coordinates. This one here says maximize the region for the maximize this equation for the bounded feasible region. So it looks like you plugged them all in and you ended up saying that 0, 0 gave the largest value. Due to these negatives, you're going to get smaller values at any one of these 3 points. The thing to keep in mind here when it says maximize is it doesn't want the coordinate. The answer they're looking for is not 0, 0. The answer is what you get when you plug in 0, 0. So we plug in 0, 0, I get 0 times negative 3 minus 5 times 0, I get 0. So the only thing you're entering here is just the number 0. If you were saying minimize, you would actually plug in the negative value you got, the smallest negative from all 4. But maximize, 0 is the actual biggest, so just plug in an answer of 0.